Welcome, amazing viewers, to my new video. In this video, we are happy to share you with a wide range of stunning short hairstyles that are perfect for ages. Prepare to be wowed as we showcase various short haircuts, including pixie cut, bob hairstyles, and more. These amazing hairstyles will make you feel confident and look absolutely fabulous. So join me today as we explore over 50 unique haircut ideas and gorgeous colors that you can find in this video. Whether you are from the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Poland, Spain, Italy, or anywhere else, these hairstyles are suitable for everyone who wants to stay on the top of the latest summer trend. We bring you the most inspiring and fabulous hairstyle ideas. In today's video, we have something really special for you. We will present an exclusive collection of short hairstyles that are sure to spark your creativity and help you find your perfect look. From pixie haircuts to trendy bob hairstyles, we have curated a selection that covers a wide range of styles and preferences. So without further ado, let's dive into the captivating world of short hair. When it comes to hairstyles, the options are endless. In this video, we have handpicked over 50 different haircut ideas that suit various tastes and preferences. You will be mesmerized by the beauty of various colors, styles, and lengths that can enhance your natural features and make a bold fashion statement. One of the highlights of this video is the stunning pixie haircut. How incredibly versatile and can be customized to suit any face, shape, and personality. Whether you prefer a sleek and sophisticated look or a more playful look, you will find inspiration in the variety of pixie cuts we showcase. These short hairstyles are not only on trend but also very appropriate, making them a fantastic choice for busy people who still want to look their best. As you watch this video, you will notice that extraordinary range of colors that can transform your short hairs into a true work of art. From timeless black to warm brown, there's a color to suit your unique style and complement your skin tone. Experimenting with different hair colors can be a fun and exciting way to express your individuality and stand out. In addition to the variety of colors and styles, we have included some amazing transformational haircuts in this video. Witness the magic as we showcase women with long hair who offer a bold and confident short haircut. It is truly remarkable how a simple haircut can completely change a person's appearance, and these transformations serve as a testament to the power of a hairstyle to boost self-confidence and make an amazing impact. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for being a part of this amazing and enchanting experience. And until next time, take care and may you remain fabulous. Also, keep watching my videos. See you in the next videos. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.